In Clicker, I can find great resources that are ready to go by clicking on the folder in the top left corner and selecting Learning Grid Resources. This is a sentence set about completing a sequence, making gingerbread cookies. When I open the sentence set, I see that the words are not in order. For my student that is working at level 2, they've just moved out of cause and effect, so they are not ready for scanning yet. With the words out of order, my student wouldn't be able to see that sequencing in action. That's okay. I can change a quick setting on this clicker set to make it meet my student's needs. By selecting Clicker Set, I can then choose Edit from there. I will change the sentence order from random to guided order. I will need to do this on each page, but once I do, the setup is ready to go. In step 2A, the only step in level 2, I want to make more happen. I want each press of the switch to take the student farther down the path of a story or sequenced activity. I want each press to do something a little bit different, but have a common thread that weaves all of these activities or events together. Now my student will be able to select a word in the correct sequence and then press the switch. Staff will need to assist with moving to the next page for the next writing set, but my student can produce writing at level 2A. Make more happen.
Funding for this service is provided by the Bureau of Exceptional Student Education, Florida Department of Education. The inclusion of technologies in this library and/or described in this content should not be considered as an endorsement of any particular item or device. The instructional appropriateness of any of these technologies must be determined at the local level.